Hi, you're welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate your image digitally using your smartphone. So, before moving on, I will encourage you people to subscribe to the channel. So, without wasting much of our time, just go to your browser, specifically Chrome browser, and type Deep Dream Generator. So, after getting to this page, all you have to do is just you can sign up for an account. Click on sign up, and as for me, I'll be clicking on login to your account because I have an account already. And boom, we have the page here. So I'll be logging in with my Gmail address and my password here. Boom, we have the page here. So as you can see right here, that a lot of people have generated different images, and a lot of people have even make use of the image to generate their own image as well. As you can see, try it here. So a lot of people might have liked this image, and they might have generated something similar to it. So all they have to do is just to click on try it, and then they just edit some things just to get a similar image, not exactly the same image, so a similar image. So all you have to do right now is make sure you put your phone on a desktop site. So make sure you mark a desktop site, because without marking this a desktop site, you won't be able to generate any image. So now let's go. So all you have to do now, as you can see, this is the trending images generated by the deep dreamers. As you can see now, there is the latest ones, the fees, the latest ones. These are the latest ones. So as you can see, the best ones. So these are the best images generated so far. So this week, these are the best images generated. And as for today, these are the images generated today. So now let's go. So all you have to do now is click on generate. So now when you click on generate, you see a page like this. So all you have to do is just type a prompt. So type a prompt here. So anything you can actually imagine. For example, if you can imagine of, let me say, okay, now my text prompt will be African Asian market. So you can add some modifiers there, and these are the modifiers. Let me just pick 4K 30D. Okay, eye detail, effects, colorful, no, I don't know, like, okay, elegance and fantasy and photography. Let me say fantastic view. Yes, and now let me. So I've added the modifiers. You can choose to make it an high quality image, or but be careful anytime you're generating an image. Just know that you will be, the moment you register for an account, you'll be given 100 energies, and as you're generating image, every time the energies will be expended. And as you can see that right now, if I have to generate high quality image, I will expend 10 energies. But if I have to generate just an ordinary image, it will be just 4 energy. So as you can see now, so as for the energy, if you expend the energy, you can decide to sign up for a pro account. But if you don't want to spend your money on it, the moment you expend the energy, you might choose to sign up for another account if you have another Gmail. So all you have to do right now is click on generate, and you have your result almost there. So you have your result now. So this is the result of our African Asian market. So you can decide to download the image. You can download it. So you can actually download it by clicking download here. So it will save on your phone, and you can actually save it as well on your portfolio in Deep Dream Generator portfolio. So you've actually saved it, and you can make it public on your Deep Dream Generator, and everyone will also see yours as you saw this there. So it actually depends on what comes to your mind when you want to generate. So here the title is African Asian Market, and you can add some tags like 3D, fantasy, and all sorts of tags, and you can also add some descriptions. So you can now publish your image. So boom, your image have been published. So that's all you have to do. So, and you can also generate an image from you can also generate an image from your from a picture. For example, an image you have in your phone. For example, you can just choose an image, and this is how people generate an artistic image from their own image. All you have to do is just to upload the picture you want to make. You want to generate something similar, maybe artistic, of that picture. So that's it. And if for those that will be interested in monetizing it, actually 4 ways for you to monetize. And the first way might be selling the image you generate on stock photo websites like Shutterstock. So you can decide to upload your to sign up for an account there and upload your images you generated. And as if anyone come to purchase the image, you get your commission. And another way is for you to sign up for on Fiverr, and if anyone order for your service, all you have to do is give them the service and get your own money. And another way is maybe Redbubble, a website whereby you have to just upload an image. It's a print on demand website where you have to upload your image, and your image will be sold like on a shirt, will be sold like it will be printed on maybe an object like a shirt, a cloth. So, and it will be sold to the customer, and you don't have to disturb yourself on how it will be printed. All you have to do is just to upload the image and sign or after signing up for an account. And another way for monetization is selling on Etsy. So you can make more research on these websites. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.